phosphate levels are stabilized right on schedule.
And the calcium extraction.
Ensure these are packed carefully. Yes, the quality must be perfect.
All right, keep it coming straight back. Watch your clearance on the right. Okay, hold it right there. Watch the clearance on the left side. Got it, pulling back now. Careful with that one, it's heavy.
I know, right? Almost time for our break, thankfully.
What about this section right here?
100% dry. We are clear on this batch.
The bones are rotated within the drying system to ensure even drying. The system rotates the bones slowly while making
Look at this section here.
Seems consistent, right within the 3 to 5 centimeter range.
The phosphate levels are stabilizing right on schedule,
And the calcium extraction rate.
exceeding expectations. The chips look fully processed. The sample looks completely clear, no odor either.
The colorimeter shows 0 absorbance. It's ready for the next stage.
The turbidity levels are stabilizing right at the target.
Good, the clarity looks excellent downstream.
into a fine powder. The gelatin powder is collected and ready to be packaged for distribution or further processing. For powder, the dried gelatin is ground into a fine powder. The gelatin powder is collected and ready.
Once the gelatin is concentrated, it is transferred to drying systems. The gelatin can be dried into different forms.
The bricks reading is exactly on target.
Viscosity looks good too. We can approve the batch.
Check the temperature on that last batch, making sure it's consistent.
Reads 88 Celsius. Everything is well within tolerance.
Statistical evidence. Once the gelatin is concentrated, it is transferred to drying systems. The gelatin can be dried.
I'm seeing some inconsistencies on the left side.
Okay,
So-
I've adjusted the spray nozzle pressure. How does that look now?
Much better. Perfect shine.
Holding steady at 18.
I like
Oh, where did you, all right.
Perfect elasticity. They're ready for the next stage.
Everything look good on the manifest?
Yes, all counts match. Ready for staging.
Bring that one to bay 3. Copy that. Moving now. Watch the left side. Okay, keep.
Everything is secure on this side. Ready to seal the shipment.
Safe travels. See you next week.
Don't eat all the profits on the way.